Well done, oh. How na day? My name na Aisha Lucky and this na Let's Talk About It. And today, make we talk about abstinence. Abstinence na supreme word wey mean to force your body to stop to dey do some activities wey your body need. That thing wey your body see as enjoyment or that thing wey dey give your body pleasure. Plenty times, people dey see the supreme word to be sexual abstinence only, but no be like that e be, because na different types of abstinence dey. We go talk about the different types of abstinence one by each, but make I go drink small water as we dey do this buying and selling of market. No go anywhere, we dey come back now. You look worried. What's happening?
Well, I'm not going to worry. I'm just thinking what kind of heavy contribution I'm going to give in that program of Let's Talk About It. So now I've got it because we'll be giving special diet and dietary counseling with healthy people and unhealthy.
That's amazing.
It's because there are some people that are malnourished, especially all those baby children. Even you now, I'm going to give you a chicken gongo.
What is chicken gongo?
Chicken gongo now. I'm going to give you chicken gongo. If you're taking chicken gongo, just look like me now.
Are you serious?
Yes, why not? So if you are following us in this program of Let's Talk About It on Fasaha TV, online TV, you will see some many variant dishes and marvelous dishes and aromatic with healthy family. So join us with me, Aisha, in the program of
Let's Talk About It.
Let's Talk About It on Fasaha TV, online TV. Join us.
Una welcome back and thank you as una still quench with us on top Let's Talk About It. The different types of abstinence follow include food abstinence, smoking abstinence, alcohol abstinence, pleasure abstinence, religious abstinence, sexual abstinence, and some etc. abstinence. Make we take the different types of abstinence one by each. We will start with food abstinence. Under food abstinence, we will talk about fasting and vegetarians. Now, fasting na by yourself to abstain, to stop to eat some kind of food or all kind of food, drink, or maybe the together of both of them. For some time, you go decide to eat and you go decide not to eat. Now, we will talk about vegetarianism. Now, the process to the diet on vegetables only. This type of abstinence means say you no go eat fish, meat, or anything where them they slaughter, we get blood. Some even follow no they chop egg join self. You go they chop only vegetables. Now, we will enter smoking abstinence. Smoking abstinence na to stop to dey consume substance wey get smoke, mostly tobacco, igbo follow join, shisha, and so many other smoking things. Now we enter alcohol abstinence. Teetotalism na the practice and promotion to completely abstain from beverage alcohol or alcoholic beverages. Some common reasons why people choose teetotalism now because of religion, health, family, philosophical, and maybe social reasons, and sometimes because of the taste of the alcohol. Some people don't like them. Pleasure abstinence na to completely abstain from pleasure or leisure, either partial or full. Wetin fit make person to stop to dey get pleasure fit be because of inhibition, career, or self-respect, but no be for sure to abstain from pleasure completely go give person better result, because them talk am say all work and no play go make Jack a dull boy. And of course, we follow know say too much work dey make brain kaput. Religious abstinence na the next one wey we go talk about. When we dey talk of religious abstinence, we mean some things wey religion don make some certain people to stop to dey do. Like for instance example, during the month of Ramadan, Muslims dey fast from Fajr to Maghrib. Jewish religion and Islam religion don also abstain their followers from chopping pork meat. For Christianity and Islam, to do flakum before marriage dey prohibited. I know say you no understand what I mean by that word. I mean say that thing wey man and woman dey do to get pikin, e no dey good to do am before marriage. Catholic Christians dey abstain from food and drink for 1 hour before dem go take Holy Communion. And dem dey also abstain from meat for during Ash Wednesday and on Fridays for during Lent period. Many traditional Catholics dey stop to dey eat meat every Friday for the complete 1 year. For Anglican Communion, the Book of Common Prayer don order dem say some days na days of fasting and abstinence. Some Protestants, especially Methodists and Baptists, don decide to stop to dey drink alcohol and smoke tobacco. The Seventh-day Adventist Church dey encourage their people to chop only clean meat as dem take see am for the book of Leviticus. And dem no support their people to chop seafood wey no get blood. Dem no follow support their people to dey drink shakriboti and smoke narcotics. Jains dey abstain from violence in any form, and dem no dey chop any living creatures or kill insects. For Indian, Buddhists and Hindus no dey chop meat and fish. Now make we enter sexual abstinence. Sexual abstinence na to stop some or all aspects of doing that badmatics or bedroom activities for because of medical, psychological, legal, social, financial, philosophical, moral or religious reasons. Celibacy na supreme word wey mean to stop to dey do that bedmatic things because of some factors like personal or religious beliefs. Make we quench for here until next time wey we go continue with this same topic for Let's Talk About It for this same station. No forget say e no fit be our last yarn because we no fit talk everything finish. You fit drop your own contributions for the YouTube, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook handles wey dey show for your screen. Make una enjoy una sef. I still be your ogbonge person, Aisha Lucky.